Aslamoalaikum. Let's start. Potato boiled. Red chili 1 tsp. Garam masala tsp. Chaat masala tsp. Black pepper powder 1 tsp. Salt 1 tsp. Boiled chicken. Onion. Mixed. Apply on oil hands. Now made gul tikki. Ready tikki. Oil. Crunch on tikki. Tikki fry curry. Wow, yummy. Fry. Subscribe to my channel. Chili garlic tomato. Ketchup. Like, share and comment. Tikki. Cucumber kira onion. Burger cheese. Finally ready. Burger recipe. The burgers are ready. Subscribe to my channel.